In today's video, I'm going to show you how a whole lot of people have been making money using Google and ChatGPT. I want to show you a secret strategy, something very easy that you could have been doing even with your phone or with your laptop. All right, just combining Google and ChatGPT to create content that you can sell online. All right, so if you're interested and you want to know what this strategy is, then make sure you stay to the end of this video. All right, so let's dive into the video for today. So the first website we're going to go to is Google Trend. All right, we want to combine information from Google Trend, all right, and ChatGPT to produce a content. All right, and that content we're going to go ahead to market it online and sell it, and in return get a whole lot of money for it. So when you go to trend.google.com, all right, when you come to trend.google.com, you want to go to trending now. All right, when you go to trend.google.com, look for trending now. I don't want this video to be too long. Look for trending and make sure your location is United States, right? So basically, Google Trend is going to give us a lot of topics that people are searching for in the United States at the moment, right? So we want to organize our search according to a time frame, which is the past 24 hours. All right, you can organize it in the past 4 hours. You can do 48 hours. You can do past 7 days. All right, so you want to know what people are searching for as of 24 hours ago. What is the current topic that is trending in the US? What are people searching for currently now? All right, so the next thing we want to check is the categories. All right, so I either leave mine in all categories and we want to leave it in all trends. All right, and the next thing we want to check is the relevance. So I want to organize my search according to search volume, not just by relevance, according to search volume. So if you're doing according to search volume, they're going to organize the searches for you in terms of the quantity, the number of people who are searching for that particular keyword. That is how it's going to rank on this platform. All right, so we want to go through this list now and look for a particular topic that we can actually search for that is currently trending in the US. All right, so I'm going to go through and look for a particular topic right now. And I'll just keep searching until I find what I can actually work on, what I can actually write on using ChatGPT. All right, so I'll keep checking. All right, this is just 5 rows out of 423. So there's still a lot of searches that we can still do. Okay, we have Travis Scott, lasted for 5 hours. So we're looking for active trends. We are looking for active trends. Okay, so this is just me trying to make use of Google and ChatGPT to produce a content I can actually sell. All right, so I actually have a complete course on this process. All right, if you are interested in learning about this process, I actually have a complete process on how you can use Google Trend and ChatGPT to make a whole lot of money publishing books. All right, the idea is to create books and publish online and make a lot of money with it. All right, so I have a complete course. If you're interested, just do well to let me know and I will guide you through step by step how to get started publishing. Okay, I found a particular topic using Google Trend currently now, and the name is Aidan Alexander. All right, so I found the particular topic and I went ahead to search it. It's currently trending right now in the US. Remember, we are searching for topics that are trending in the US as of now. All right, so having done my research, I found a particular name I can work with, Aidan Alexander. All right, Aidan Alexander. All right, I'm going to work on a book about this particular guy. All right, so this is going to be a very quick video. Like I said, I have a complete course on how to walk you through step by step how to write about such individuals and how to safely publish your book on Amazon and on Kobo without getting your account terminated. All right, so quickly let's go ahead and work on this book. All right, let's go ahead and work on this book. So I'll head over to ChatGPT right now. I'll begin the process of writing this book. All right, so because I don't want this video to be too long, all right, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and write the book. Then we'll come back and then we'll see how detailed and how well the book has been written. All right, guys, so as you can see, I am done with my book. It did not take me a whole lot of time to be able to finish this. I was done in like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and this is how my book looks. My book is ready to go for uploading. All right, so this is a total of 69 pages. Okay, my book is a total of 69 pages. As you can see, 69 out of 69. Alright, so this is how easy and fast it is to come up with a book using Google Trend and ChatGPT. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead now and design my cover and also upload this book on Amazon. Alright, I'm going to put in my author name and then I'm going to complete in my name here also in my copyright page. Alright, so this is how easy a book looks like, okay? Title page, your copyright page, your table of contents, and your work, your chapter, and your book. Alright, so this was just using Google Chrome to come up with that particular word people are searching for. People have been searching about the guy, they want to know more about him, they want to know his history, they want to know where he's from. Alright, so this is a book that I can upload now, and I will start seeing sales on it immediately without wasting time. Alright, so if you want to learn how easy it is to come up with this book, I'll be doing a part 2 of this particular video. Alright, I'm going to show you how I'm going to upload this book. Alright, so watch out for the part 2. If you want to see the part 2 of this video where I upload this book on Amazon and walk you through step by step how to make sure you do the right thing when uploading these kinds of book, then make sure you comment, make sure you like this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Alright, so I'm going to see you in the part 2 of this video.